In this video, we review the Milestone Credit Card. Have you used the Milestone Credit Card before? What was your experience? Leave your Milestone Credit Card review in the comments section below. The Milestone Credit Card is designed for individuals seeking to build or rebuild their credit. However, user reviews and expert analyses reveal a complex picture of its advantages and disadvantages. A notable feature of the Milestone Credit Card is its accessibility to individuals with less than perfect credit. The application process is straightforward, and many applicants receive instant approval. Once approved, users can access a credit limit of up to $700, providing a manageable starting point for credit building. The card reports to all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, enabling users to build their credit scores through responsible usage. Additionally, the card offers 24/7 access to account information, allowing users to monitor their spending and payments conveniently. Despite these benefits, several drawbacks have been highlighted by users. One significant concern is the high annual fee, which can be as much as $175 in the first year. This fee is charged upon account opening, immediately reducing the available credit limit. In subsequent years, the annual fee decreases to $49, but additional monthly fees may apply, potentially leading to nearly $200 in annual fees. This cost is considered high, especially when compared to other credit-building cards with lower or no annual fees. Another point of contention is the card's high APR, which can reach up to 35.9%. This interest rate makes carrying a balance on the card expensive and can lead to significant debt accumulation if not managed carefully. Furthermore, the card's credit limit is relatively low, with a maximum of $700. This limit may not be sufficient for users with higher spending needs and can impact the credit utilization ratio, a key factor in credit scoring. Additionally, the card does not offer rewards or perks, which can make it less appealing compared to other credit-building options that provide such benefits. The lack of rewards means users do not receive additional value for their spending. The card also lacks a mobile app, which can be inconvenient for users who prefer managing their finances on the go. The absence of a mobile app limits the ease of accessing account information and making payments. Moreover, some users have reported issues with customer service, including long response times and unhelpful assistance. This can be frustrating for cardholders seeking timely support for their concerns. The card's design, while sleek and made of metal, requires careful handling and cleaning with a microfiber cloth to maintain its appearance, which some users find inconvenient. Additionally, the card's focus on high fees and limited perks may not align with the needs of all users. The $1,000 annual fee, as reported by NerdWallet, is considered exorbitant. The card's design, while sleek and made of metal, requires careful handling and cleaning with a microfiber cloth to maintain its appearance, which some users find inconvenient. In conclusion, the Milestone Credit Card offers a pathway to credit building for individuals with less than perfect credit. However, the high fees, high APR, and lack of rewards may not make it the best option for everyone. Prospective users should carefully consider these factors and compare them with other available credit-building options to determine if the Milestone Credit Card aligns with their financial goals and spending habits.